Make beautiful custom art style valances without sewing. This easy-to-use no-sew home decorating kit includes a reusable, traceable, art style valance design form and table decorating design form. Use the design forms to make art style valances and matching table accents without sewing. Make any number of valance panels to fit your window size. Make perfectly shaped valances by simply tracing around the design form edges. Finished cornice-style valance panels are stiff, crisp, and look professionally made. Custom no-sew valances are really easy to make. Select fabric to match your decor, then use the single valance design form to make unlimited center and side panels to decorate any number of windows. Traceable Designer Art Style Design Form is semi-transparent for perfect fabric print alignment. Use the included fusible backing to add lining to your fabric section. Position the design form over the fabric section and trace around the edges. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance panels. Make no-sew rod pockets and use the included Velcro to hang your valance panels. Make single fabric layer styles or use the design form to create a contrast fabric layer. Then simply fuse the contrast fabric layer to the base panel. Use the design form to make large or small valance panels to best fit your window size. Make single fabric layer styles or create dual fabric styles, or make a simple center panel only style and hang using a straight decorative curtain rod. You'll find easy step-by-step video tutorials on YouTube. Simply follow along to make your beautiful custom art style valances and matching table accents. Make sure to click the link at the top of the product page to visit the Traceable Designer store, where you'll find a complete selection of traceable no-sew valance design kits. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.